Hi everybody. So today I'm going to show you guys how to change the door release switch. As you can see, this one's all worn out and damaged and stuff like that. Actually, it looked a lot worse before. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys how to replace this. I'm going to show you guys the parts and the part number on what to get. This literally takes about like 2 minutes. Okay, let's get to it. Part number for the switch. This is the GM part number. This is the door switch that we're going to be installing today. So you guys can see it. I bought them from GM, General Parts. They're like 20 bucks US, 30 bucks Canadian. All you're gonna need in order to do this is you're gonna need the switches that you're gonna get from GM, and you're gonna need a little flathead screwdriver. Okay, so first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna stick a little flathead screwdriver in here. We're gonna pry this up. That's it. I'm just trying to be delicate because I don't want to scratch anything. That's all she is. Then you're going to take it, you're going to squeeze back here, you're going to release it, and there's your switch. So all you do is you squeeze back here on the back of this. Right there. Okay? So now I'll show you how to replace this part. So we're going to replace the button. In order to do that, all you have to do is pop these out. But the one thing you want to take note of is where this is. Okay, so it's facing on a certain side. You want to take note of that. So what I do is I put a little mark here, so I can use that as a reference if I have to check later. Okay, so you're going to stick the screwdriver in here, twist, bend it out, hold it with your other finger, twist, put the screwdriver in, bend it out. So there it is. Then we're going to take the new one, right? And then we're just going to put it right back in. Exact same way the other one came out. Push it in. Now we go put it in the car. And now there's our new button. Okay, so we have the button installed. The switch, door release switch, however you want to call it. So all we have to do is plug it back in. That's it. Put it back in. And we're done. And then all you're going to do is you're going to test it to make sure it works. Obviously it doesn't work at this moment. We'll close the door up. And for the other side, it's exactly the same. You just pop it out, you replace the switch, put it back in, you're done. Literally, you could do both sides in probably 2 minutes. Okay, hope this helps you guys and gals. Take care. Bye.